right, hope you guys enjoyed that little joyride with the pack of 350s. I was not prepared for that to happen. My GoPro was not set up properly, but I hope you guys enjoyed a little highway run. We were out there mobbing, but in this video, got something pretty cool happening. We are gonna be wrapping the roof black on the Shelby GT350. I think it's gonna look really, really good. This is part of kind of the appearance package that I'm trying to do with this car. We're gonna get the roof wrapped, we're gonna get the windows retinted, and then we are gonna be changing out the track pack spoiler for the 2019-2020 GT350 spoiler. But I want to go ahead and get this roof wrapped black now because today is also the day that I'm probably gonna put the stock taillights back on, because I think it's gonna look amazing with the carbon fiber hood, the black roof, and then we have like the amber color taillights. But let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I'm gonna have the side-by-sides, maybe not in this video, might do that for a separate video, but we definitely are gonna get that roof wrapped today. I think it's gonna look good, y'all. Just gloss black, the same as the spoiler, and we're gonna go back to the stock tails. I actually got them in this box right here, so the Euros might be for sale. I know somebody has been already hitting me up to pick those up, but these are gonna look good. I'm not gonna tint the windows just yet because I kind of want to get the windows tinted, and I want to do the 2019-2020 spoiler at the same time when the car gets paint corrected and ceramic coated, because obviously there's gonna be residue. So I'd rather just have everything cleaned up, installed, protected all at the same time. But I'm gonna do the wrap right now because they're gonna be putting the protection over the tail lights, and it doesn't make sense to go ahead and go in there with tail lights that I may or may not like. Shit, I might like the Euros with the roof wrap black, you never know. But let's go ahead and get a cold start. They look pissed. They look pissed. reminds me of that one Fast and Furious scene when those fucking Hondas were weaving in behind the trucks. I ain't doing that in this car. Fuck that. I didn't know there's an Amazon warehouse over here. That shows you how much I don't really get out of my own area. Residential areas. This is actually not a bad route. I've never actually taken this route before. It's pretty solid, I ain't gonna lie. This route's pretty fucking solid. We're about to be pulling up, so I'm gonna catch y'all probably when this roof is wrapped. All right, y'all, the deed is done. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. This is the first time I've had anything wrapped on any car that I've owned, and I want your guys' opinions on it. Again, let me know what y'all think, man. I guess the only thing to do now is to re-tint the windows and change out the spoiler. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of vibing with the Euro tails right now. I really am. I'm gonna have to do a side-by-side, but I actually am still vibing with the Euros. I could have sworn I would have liked the stocks better with this style, especially with the roof wrapped, but I don't know. I'm kind of vibing with the Euro still. Let me know what you guys think, man. I really am. I did not expect to like the Euros that much with this. Maybe when the windows are retinted, 5% all the way around and 35 on the shield, I probably will go back to the red, but honestly, I think it looks pretty hard the way it is right now. I'm really liking this look, man. I really am. It's very just basic and clean. Like, nothing crazy is going on. I guess the only crazy thing would be just the hood, but for the most part, I think this shit looks pretty good, man. I really do. I like the way it looks. I really do like the way it looks. So overall, I'm happy the way everything turned out. It breaks the yellow up, and honestly, it's looking real good. I'm really happy. I was kind of skeptical going in with the roof wrap. Like I said, typically I don't like to wrap things. This is the first car that I've had things wrapped, but I think it looks pretty good, man, and it didn't even cost that much. So if you guys enjoyed the video and think it looks good, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Hopefully we get some updates on the 99 this week. Praying we do, because I really want to start driving that car, but I guess we're gonna keep chipping at the 350. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of exterior mods right now because currently not racing the car. Don't really care to race the car because it is hot as hell. It's like 105 degrees right now. So we're gonna keep chipping at the exterior mods, man. Tent, ceramic coat, the new spoiler, and I did find a set of wheels that I do want on this car, and they're actually not that expensive as well, so that's really nice. And I know for a fact they're gonna look good because I already saw them on another 350 and it looked amazing.